Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ertiga emerges as a compelling choice in the multi-purpose vehicle (MPV) segment, blending style, functionality, and advanced features to cater to modern families and travelers. Building upon its legacy, this iteration introduces notable enhancements in design, comfort, performance, and safety. Exterior design, modern aesthetics with functional appeal. The 2025 Ertiga showcases a refreshed exterior that balances contemporary aesthetics with practical design elements. A prominent front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlamps, imparts a bold and sophisticated look. The sculpted lines along the body not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to aerodynamic efficiency. Integrated roof rails and stylish alloy wheels add a touch of ruggedness, hinting at the vehicle's versatility for both urban and adventurous drives. Interior comfort, spaciousness meets advanced technology. Stepping inside, the Ertiga offers a spacious cabin designed to accommodate 7 passengers comfortably across 3 rows. High-quality materials and thoughtful ergonomics create an inviting atmosphere. The dashboard features a user-friendly layout with a large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom, adjustable headrests, and dedicated air conditioning vents, enhancing overall comfort during long journeys. Performance and efficiency, engineered for reliability. Under the hood, the 2025 Ertiga is powered by a 1.5 K series petrol engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, it caters to diverse driving preferences. The inclusion of Suzuki's smart hybrid technology further optimizes fuel consumption, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and extended trips. Safety features, comprehensive protection for all occupants. Maruti Suzuki has prioritized safety in the new Ertiga by incorporating a suite of advanced features. Standard offerings include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reverse parking camera. Higher variants come equipped with additional side and curtain airbags, electronic stability control, and hill hold assist, providing comprehensive protection for all occupants. Practicality and versatility, designed for diverse lifestyles. The Ertiga's flexible seating arrangement allows for various configurations, accommodating passengers and cargo with ease. The third row seats can be folded flat to expand the luggage area, catering to larger items or increased storage needs. Multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin, including cup holders, door pockets, and a cooled glove box, enhance convenience for all occupants. Entertainment and connectivity, keeping passengers engaged. The infotainment system, equipped with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB ports, ensures passengers remain entertained and connected. Steering-mounted controls and voice recognition facilitate hands-free operation, allowing drivers to focus on the road ahead. Conclusion: a well-rounded MPV for modern needs. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ertiga stands out as a well-rounded MPV that addresses the evolving demands of families and individuals alike. Its harmonious blend of style, comfort, performance, and safety positions it as a strong contender in its segment, offering a reliable and enjoyable driving experience for various lifestyles. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.